Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your language or how you can add additional languages to your site on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, once you are on your dashboard, what you're going to do first is go into settings. This is where all your language and localization options will be. Then from here, you're going to go into languages, and from here, as you can see, you can click to add a language. You can select whichever you want from here. For example, Basque, just click the language, click add, and now it has been added successfully. Now you can also install the Translate and Adapt app, where you can create localizations for your site, where it'll systematically go through your entire site and make a translation out of it. It looks something like this. If I click on open, it will take me to this page. It'll just open up the app page like so, and once that loads, you have a couple of different options. You can select the language over here. As you can see, currently it is Basque, and I didn't publish it yet, but you can publish it very easily. You can then go into manage, and then you can add another language if you wanted to. For example, just click add language over here, select this, for example, Breton, click add, and now that has been added. Then you can click on translate through Translate and Adapt, and that'll open up this page, and you can just automatically translate it like this, except for the fact that Breton isn't available for this app, but it is what it is. Pretty much that is how you can translate your entire store, in every single page you have, every single piece of text. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.